Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to turn off the screen distance feature your iPhone. So, if you're using your iPhone and you see this message pop up that says, iPhone may be too close, keeping your iPhone at arm's length can protect your eyesight. Don't worry, you can easily disable this feature. A few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for Screen Time, tap on it. In Screen Time, you'll find an option called Screen Distance. Tap on it and you'll see a switch to turn it off. Just toggle that off. Now, keep in mind that it will warn you that this may reduce the risk of eye strain and myopia, especially for children. So, if your iPhone is used by a child, it's still a good idea to keep a proper distance between their eyes and the screen. And that's it, you've successfully turned off screen distance. If this helped, make sure to hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with more tips. Thanks for watching.